Blessings. All the glory to Kadash Jerusalem in the name of Kadash Solomon. I wanted to talk about the staff today. The staff. We deal with synonyms. So when we talk about staff, we also mean 12 men. It's comparable to 12 men, having 12 men on you. I don't know if y'all study in your Bagua Zing, but when you add the staff to Bagua Zing, it's amazing. It really is. I want to show a couple things to you real quick. Of course, R712, the hexagon figure. You should remember that figure. It'll close your mouth if you hold on to that figure. What else we got? The staff. The stick in the mud. The stick in the mud is at the bottom right here. If you see it, you'll see a man. You'll see a man standing right here. His arm is on a staff. He got one leg going across it. That's a stick in the mud. When you think about geometry, that man is inside of the box, protected. And the reason why he's protected is because he has a stick in the mud. Now there's percentage, but he's still protected. We're talking about electromagnetic fields. We're talking about your yoke, your force field around you. Here we have the hexagon, and this is the symbol that we use at R712. So the man will be standing up inside of here, but there's an issue, and this is the issue I'm having with the hexagon. And this is without the staff. Without the staff, I would be standing here, and you would have, okay, you could say a 4-pointed star. You can make a 5-pointed star out of it. But what you wouldn't have the 6-pointed star with just a man standing here. What do you need to accomplish the 6-pointed star? Here's the 6-pointed star right here. What do you need to accomplish the 6-pointed star? If the hexagon was in a vacuum, let's say the hexagon was vacuumed around you. How would you create that shape if the hexagon was vacuumed around you? This is how you would do it. And it's only this way. Well, you could use other things, but this is, first of all, the regulation. It has to be 12 feet higher than your head. 12 inches, I mean. 12 inches higher than your head. Mine is a little more, but 12 inches regulation. Now, it should be taller than you for pressure sakes, to keep the pressure off of your head, EMF, right? The only way we can accomplish that vacuum inside of the hexagon is with a staff. That's the only way. If, let's say I had this leaning up against my shoulder, and I put my arms out, and my legs were spread. You have 6 points. You have a point there, another point at the bottom. Now, you put me inside of a hexagon, and I have the capability of making this shape. If you put me inside of this hexagon with my staff, now I can perfect that shape. And that's the only way. So I'm thinking it's law to have a staff. It's law. But your homework, I'm not even gonna look up the scripture. I know a couple scriptures in my head that I could prove it on. And I probably could find more if I dig. But that's your homework. Figure out why is the staff law for R712. I showed you geometry. Now find it in the Bible to support my geometry. Blessings. Shalom. All right, study. Yeah, that's it right there. I don't even got to say study. Y'all know.